Introduction to Front-End Development.
The front-end development is all about building the parts of websites and applications that users interact with. To start your journey, it's important to know which technologies and skills to focus on first. Mastering the essentials will help you create impressive, interactive experiences and open the door to a rewarding tech career.
Learning the foundations: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are the fundamental building blocks for every front-end developer. HTML structures the content on web pages. CSS controls the visual style and layout, while JavaScript adds interactivity and dynamic functionality. Building a strong understanding of these three core languages lays the groundwork for all future learning.
Understanding responsive design.
Responsive design ensures that websites look and function well on all devices, from desktops to smartphones. Learn how to use CSS techniques like media queries and flexible layouts. Understanding the principles of mobile-first design helps you create accessible experiences for users everywhere.
Getting started with frameworks and tools.
Once you're comfortable with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, explore popular frameworks and libraries like React, Vue, or Angular. These tools help you build complex interfaces faster and more efficiently. Familiarize yourself with version control using Git and practice using code editors for better productivity.
Strengthening problem-solving and collaboration skills.
Front-end development isn't just about code. Effective problem-solving, debugging, and communication are key skills. Working on projects, using resources like online communities, and collaborating with others will help you grow quickly. Always keep learning and refining both your technical and soft skills.
Next steps on your learning path.
Start by building simple projects, such as personal websites or portfolios, to apply your new skills. As you gain confidence, tackle more advanced topics like web accessibility or performance optimization. Remember, every project and challenge brings you closer to becoming a professional front-end developer.